In the heart of Singapore's museum, Future World offers an immersive journey where art and science converge. This exhibition features main sections, CityInAGarden, and Exploring New Frontiers. In CityInAGarden, visitors experience the harmony between humans and nature through interactive installations. Step into a digital paradise with cascading waterfalls and flowers that bloom and wither in response to your presence. One of the first installations is 100 Years Sea, visualizing rising sea levels over a century. It's a haunting reminder of climate change and sustainability. Next, encounter Animals of Flowers, Symbiotic Lives. Animals made entirely of flowers roam freely, symbolizing the interconnectedness of all life forms. Flowers scatter and reform, creating a dynamic dance of life. Slide down a hill covered in digital fruits and sliding through the fruit field. Each slide is a burst of color and sound, evoking the joy of discovery. In a table where little people live, tiny digital figures interact with objects on a table. Your movements influence their whimsical universe. Create music by touching the wall in a musical wall where little people live. Each touch produces a different sound. Peer through a digital window into a vast, starry expanse in a window to the universe where little people live. Tiny figures wave from their spaceships. In Sketch Connected World, draw sea creatures and watch them come to life in a massive digital aquarium. Your creations swim alongside those of other visitors. Future World inspires awe and creativity, showing that art and science are beautifully intertwined. It encourages visitors to imagine and create the future, one imaginative step at a time.